A committee on juvenile justice is making much-needed improvements to the Wilder Youth Development Center in Summerville and the entire juvenile justice system in Tennessee. State Senator Ed Jackson is a sponsor of the legislation. He says children's well-being in Tennessee is his top priority.
This is the first time in several years that we've done a deep dive into the issues and problems that the Department of Children's Services is having. And they're many and they're great.
After months of hearing from state agencies, nonprofits, juvenile judges, and others, the committee found the top issues needing to be addressed, especially when the number of children taken into state custody has increased every year since 2016.
Well, there's so many recommendations for increased compensation for the staff. That's one of the things. We have a huge shortage of staff, and one reason is because they are not making enough money. They're not getting the proper training.
Last year, nearly half of new Tennessee DCS caseworkers quit within their first year. Jackson says this issue, along with mental health and providing safe sleeping arrangements, are the most important issues to tackle first. The state needs around 190 beds for boys and 25 for girls at DCS facilities.
For children and their issues and problems that we have across the state with so many of the children that are involved with the Department of Children's Services. We got children sleeping on the floors.
Jackson stressed the need for the state to help keep the kids out of the Department of Correction facilities and offer incentives for good behavior.
So, thing that we've got to address probably the most, get them out of these bad situations so that they don't go to adult courts and end up with the Department of Corrections.
Jackson said these are all things the governor will include in his budget and will hope to have fixed as soon as possible. In Knoxville, Ellie Bird, WVLT News.